In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Alibaba. We'll walk through setting up your seller account, positioning your ebook for Alibaba's marketplace, and delivering orders smoothly with clear tips to keep everything professional and easy. Start by heading to the Alibaba website and selecting Join Free. When asked, register as a supplier or seller, not a buyer. Enter your business name and contact details, create secure login credentials, and verify your account using the code sent to you. Use accurate, consistent information here. Alibaba typically requires sellers to undergo business verification, so the details you enter now should match your documents later. Next, complete business verification in the Seller Center, upload your business permit, identification, and company details, then submit the verification request and wait for approval. Make sure your scans are clear and your names, addresses, and business numbers match across documents. Approval times vary, so keep an eye on your messages in case Alibaba requests additional proof. Decide how to position your ebook on Alibaba. Because the platform focuses on wholesale and B2B, ebooks tend to perform best when framed as educational materials, training guides, digital learning packages, or custom written content services. Pure one-off downloads are less common, so emphasize use cases, licensing rights, and outcomes that appeal to teams or bulk buyers. Prepare your product assets before listing. Finalize your ebook file in a common format like PDF or EPUB. Write a clear product description, design a professional cover image, and define your pricing and any minimum order. Spell out licensing terms such as personal, team, or commercial use, and decide how you'll deliver the file, via email, a secure download link, or access to a member portal. Create a short watermarked preview or sample pages to showcase quality without sharing the full book. Create the listing in My Alibaba under Product Management by selecting Add Product. Craft a keyword-rich title, choose a category such as Education, Training, or Digital Service, set your pricing and minimum order, and paste in your detailed description. Upload your preview or sample and publish the listing. Because this is a digital product, be explicit about fulfillment. In the description, explain how buyers will receive the ebook, the delivery timeframe, file format, and what's included. Automating delivery through a secure link can speed things up and reduce errors. Promote your listing with relevant keywords, quick responses to inquiries, bundle offers, and customization options. Fast, helpful communication increases visibility and trust. When orders arrive, confirm payment within Alibaba, deliver the ebook through your chosen method, and provide customer support if needed. Keep records of delivery and confirm receipt to close the loop professionally.